Attention please. This is a national emergency alert. An extreme threat has been detected. All residents of Jetcity and surrounding areas, immediately seek shelter. Shelter immediately. Proceed to the nearest designated public shelter. If unable, shelter in place. Seek the most interior room of your home or building, away from windows. Stay informed. Monitor local news and official sources for updates. Repeat, shelter immediately. Seek shelter. Await further instructions. This is not a drill. Your immediate action is required. Stand by for further announcements.
بعناية ففي دبور